How to turn on professional mode in Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide in how you can enable your professional mode on Facebook or your account. Now the process itself is simple. First you want to open up Facebook, make sure you log into your account, tap on profile on your home page and you'll be headed to your profile. Right now you can see my profile here. You want to tap on the three dots option that you can see below your profile. You can see add to story, you can see edit profile, and you can see the three dots option. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see there turn on professional mode option right here, just above the create another profile option. You want to tap on it. And now you can see turn on professional mode. Now the benefits are you can get paid for your content if you are eligible. You can see content insights and you can let more people follow you. So you can simply tap on turn on option and your professional mode should be turned on. So this way you can turn on professional mode on Facebook. You have to add in other details here to finish up and you'll be good to go. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.